Hey there, Darren Dawson, president and co-founder of BombBomb. Hope you're having a great summer. In this deep dive, I'm going to go into 3 specific ways that you can include CTAs in all your video messaging. Don't know what a CTA is? It's a call to action. And a lot of times we include them in the messages that we send. Now, sometimes the video itself is the only message you want to get across, right? You just want to send the video to someone. That is the point. Other times, it's actually a means to an end. The video is a means to an end. You want them to do something else. Now, this could be something like attend this event. Please register by clicking below. It could be please reply with a video to this message. Please call me back, or I'd like to schedule some time with you. So these are just some of the ways that you could have a CTA. But I'm not going to really go into that. You need to think about what your own calls to action are. But what I want to show you are 3 simple ways that you can include a CTA. Now, the first one in your video is that you always want to make sure your CTA is at the very top of your video, meaning the beginning, and at the end. It's kind of like giving your phone number more than once. If that is the point, if it's the means to the end, you want to make sure you include that multiple times. So I usually like to tell you what the video is about, that I'd like to schedule some time with you, and then reaffirm that at the end of the video. Make sense? And the other one is use it as a line of text right below your video. So it's a simple thing to do. So especially if this is in an email context, you can have the video, and then below the video, maybe it's, here's a link to my calendar. Please find a time that suits you. So you include it right below the video. Now, when you combine those 2 tips, putting it at the top and at the bottom, along with a link underneath the video, it works really great. And the third one is using the BombBomb CTA feature. So we've actually included a feature in BombBomb where you can put a CTA right on top of the video. Now, this is really key, especially if the video is maybe not an email. It's in LinkedIn or Facebook Messenger or many other places that you could actually send a video, text even. So you could include a call to action right on top of the video. So think about it. One of the key reasons you're using video is to get more responses. That's the whole point, right? When you include a CTA along with video, that has a compound effect and gets you even more of an engagement and a response rate from your video messaging. So think about it this week. How can you implement one of these tips and make it a better response week for yourself? Again, hope you're doing well. Take one of these tips and implement it this week. See ya.